Denotation of the 6th house lord in each of the 12 houses in the horoscope. The denotation of the 6th house lord in each of the 12 houses in a horoscope provides insights into areas related to health, work, service, daily routine, and conflicts. Here is a general overview of the denotations. First house. When the 6th house lord is in the first house, it suggests that the individual's approach to health, work, and daily routine is a significant part of their self-identity. They may have a strong work ethic and a focus on maintaining their physical well-being. Second house. When the 6th house lord is in the second house, it indicates that the individual's financial matters, material possessions, and self-worth are influenced by their work, health, and service-oriented activities. They may earn money through detailed and meticulous work or may need to take care of their health to maintain financial stability. Third house. When the 6th house lord is in the third house, it suggests that the individual's communication, skills, and siblings play a role in their work, health, and daily routine. They may excel in tasks that require analytical thinking or may find themselves engaged in tasks that involve helping others. Fourth house. When the 6th house lord is in the fourth house, it signifies that the individual's home environment, emotional well-being, and family matters can be influenced by their work, health, and daily routines. They may have a strong sense of responsibility towards their family or may need to find a balance between their personal and professional life. Fifth house. When the 6th house lord is in the fifth house, it indicates that the individual's creative self-expression, romance, and children can be impacted by their work, health, and daily routines. They may find joy and satisfaction in their work or may need to manage their time effectively to balance their personal and professional commitments. Sixth house. When the 6th house lord is in the 6th house itself, it amplifies the energies of the house. The individual may have a strong focus on health, work, and service, and they may excel in tasks that require attention to detail and organization. They may also face challenges related to conflicts and health issues that require careful management. Seventh house. When the 6th house lord is in the 7th house, it suggests that the individual's partnerships and relationships can be influenced by their work, health, and daily routines. They may seek partners who share similar work values or may need to establish a balance between their personal and professional commitments in relationships. Eighth house. When the 6th house lord is in the 8th house, it indicates that the individual's shared resources, transformation, and deep psychological processes can be connected to their work, health, and daily routines. They may undergo transformations in their work environment or may need to address deep-seated conflicts and emotional issues related to their work. Ninth house. When the 6th house lord is in the 9th house, it suggests that the individual's beliefs, higher education, travel, and spiritual pursuits can be influenced by their work, health, and daily routines. They may find meaning and purpose in their work or may pursue careers that involve teaching, counseling, or healing. 10th house. When the 6th house lord is in the 10th house, it indicates that the individual's career, public image, and social status can be impacted by their work, health, and daily routines. They may have a strong sense of responsibility in their professional life or may need to manage work-related stress effectively. 11th house. When the 6th house lord is in the 11th house, it suggests that the individual's friendships, social network, and aspirations can be influenced by their work, health, and daily routines. They may find support and inspiration from their friends in their work or may engage in service-oriented activities as part of their social circle. 12th house. When the 6th house lord is in the 12th house, it indicates that the individual's solitude, spirituality, and introspection can be connected to their work, health, and daily routines. They may need to find balance and restorative practices to maintain their physical and mental well-being.